Supr Analyst AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, this is the review you need to watch. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI software, and by the end, you'll know if it's the right tool for you or your business. First off, Supr Analyst AI has been designed for digital marketers, business owners, and anyone in need of robust data analysis, reporting, and decision-making tools. It's an AI-driven software that aims to simplify complex processes, making it easier to analyze market trends, customer behavior, and competitor strategies in real time. The best part? You can try it completely free by clicking the first link below. Now, let's talk about what makes Supr Analyst AI stand out from the crowd. First, it's incredibly user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. This AI software provides insights and recommendations in a way that's easy to understand, saving you time from sifting through complex data. You don't need to be a data scientist to make sense of it. One of the key features is the automated reporting system. You can generate detailed professional reports with just a few clicks. Whether you need a performance breakdown or an in-depth market analysis, Supr Analyst AI does the heavy lifting. And these reports aren't just surface level. The AI provides deep insights into consumer trends and even offers suggestions on what actions to take. The platform also integrates seamlessly with multiple data sources. Whether you're pulling information from social media analytics, Google Ads, or CRM systems, Supr Analyst AI combines everything into a single, easy-to-navigate dashboard. This integration allows you to track all your key metrics in one place, saving you from toggling between multiple platforms. Another impressive aspect of Supr Analyst AI is its predictive analytics. It uses advanced machine learning models to forecast market trends and help you stay ahead of your competition. If you're running campaigns, this feature can be a game changer, as it gives you a clear picture of what strategies might work best for you moving forward. But that's not all. Supr Analyst AI offers customization options that can tailor the software to your specific needs. If you're working in a niche industry or require more specialized insights, you can configure the platform to focus on exactly what matters to you. This level of customization ensures that you're not overwhelmed with unnecessary data and can make decisions faster. The real-time analytics and recommendations are perfect for anyone needing quick, actionable insights. If you're running digital ads or managing a marketing campaign, you can immediately see how your efforts are performing and get AI-driven suggestions to improve your results. This means you won't have to wait days for reports or spend hours analyzing data. Supr Analyst AI does it for you instantly. Finally, Supr Analyst AI has a team of developers that's constantly updating and improving the software, ensuring that it stays competitive and relevant. The frequent updates ensure that you're always working with the latest features and capabilities, making sure you're never left behind. By now, you should have a solid idea of what Supr Analyst AI is and how it can elevate your digital marketing efforts. Remember, if you want to try it yourself, you can get started for free using the link below. I've also included my list of recommended AI software for digital marketers after testing thousands of them myself. Trust me, you'll want to check those out. So if you're serious about leveling up your marketing with AI, Supr Analyst AI might just be the tool you need to get ahead of the competition. Try it today and see for yourself.